Okay, Saturday, December 6th, 2025, continuing with this explanation and this schematic that I had to make from this board, for the sake of my reference so that I can troubleshoot this better. And just, I wanted to have a good idea of what's going on here. But basically, let me explain briefly on what's going on here. This connector here takes the RS-232 from the back of the panel, which is this connector right here on the front of the Romaxx machine, the front panel, that's got this RS-232 connector, parallel connector, and you can see all the designations are already there for step and direction of the stepper motors. Those are inputs that are coming in from Mach 3, and then you have some outputs there as well. PWM outputs, PWM output 3, PWM 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rest of those are ground. That are outputting to those PWM signals are required in a logic configuration to trigger this Darlington array. Then instead triggers these relays. Now this relay right here drives the, like I said, some other videos, that this drives the 24-volt transformer. Turns on the 24-volt transformer that drives the Geico drivers. This one's not connected. This one is set up for the vacuum, and this is set up by spindle. The spindle is controlled by CNC code M3 or 5 or something like that, and to turn it off it's M5, and then the vacuum is M8 and M9, something like that. If my memory serves me correct. So those are driven by signals. Same thing with these other things. So actually this one turns on automatically when the machine is fully enabled. For when you first turn on the machine, you want to drive the Geicos, you want to have those set up right away. And so this relay is doing that through all this logic circuitry and reading of inputs and output signals, via the RS-232 cable that's connected to this connector right here. And so what I've done is basically, if we can break this down into sections right here, you have the you have this AND gate chip here. Is a 4-channel AND gate. It's connected to that section right there. And you have some comparators here. They're comparing the voltage signals for some of these, for the probe, for the limit, and some other things. So basically, if you look at this schematic, and study it, you probably, if you understand electronics, you probably understand what's